Hello, fellow YouTube peoples. My microphone is back because I'm on a new computer. I asked my friend to join a call on Discord just so you could be part of this. I'm not sure what she's doing, and I sound like a freaking child. So yeah, I apologize in advance for my voice. When was the last time I actually had my voice in the video though? Like, I don't know. Was it before New Year's? Leap. Let me set this up. Oh god, I'm lagging. Red. We're going red. Red's extreme. Bro, they updated the recorder that I'm using. Then again, when I haven't. Or no, because I've used it when my mic didn't work. I just didn't talk in videos. But yeah, now I'm back. And all it took was a $200 computer that was shipped from China and took, like, literally 2 months to get here. Just kidding, it was like 3 weeks, but I cannot wait because I'm an impatient child. Oh no, now it's high. It's too high. Oof, okay. Yeet, I can do it. So this is just gonna be me talking to myself, basically. What most people don't realize is that technically YouTubers are just talking to themselves and hoping that people watch their videos. Dang, my avatar's skinny. And then give me 1 second, people. Don't ask what that is. Am I even still recording? Yes. Great. Actually, I'm gonna undo that because that's kinda ugly. Sorry about that. Yeah, my recorder decided to stop working for like 5 seconds. If anyone's wondering, the horse that I'm riding, this is Fantasy. Oh, she's gorgeous. She's probably one of my favorites. Other than Meringue, of course. Meringue is just iconic. Oh my god, I almost said I'm gonna grab a dig horse. Ugh, I can't spell anymore. Literally though, it's been so long since I played Roblox. Cause after my microphone stopped working, my computer had all these issues. And I'll make a whole video about that and like where I've been and stuff, cause it's been 2-3 weeks since I posted, I don't know. Or care, honestly, cause I'm posting. I'm back now. Toffee's gorgeous, but like Coyote. That's Bug, I don't really like Bug. Oh, Acorn. Bob. Meringue. Meringue's iconic. She's small. Oh my god. I didn't know she was so small. Actually, I'm kind of changing my mind now. I don't like the small horses because like they don't fit anyone's avatar. At least when your avatar is extremely skinny, it looks a bit better. Actually, I don't think I've ever ridden Strawberry, so I'm gonna go with her. And breastplate, Moringa. Toy bonnet. It's called an ear bonnet, bro. Nah. Actually, I like this color because this is actually kind of a strawberry color. That's what it reminds me of. Okay, she cannot call. What did she say? Okie. Okie dokie. That's all Mars can say. All she can say is okie dokie. Whee! And I say yeet! Oh my god, I literally just realized that they updated the game, and I was playing for like a while before recording. I just realized the stable's all different. Watch me whip. Whip. Bro, I'm not used to talking in videos, because like low-key it's been... I don't know, if I had to guess, I'd say it's been at least 5 months since my microphone stopped working. I missed Roblox, because Okay, so I was talking about this, but then I stopped. Basically, after my microphone started working, my computer just had a bunch of issues. You know, like, Roblox stopped working, and eventually Star Stable stopped working. Also, I gotta show you guys something because, like, I think they're low key. I gotta stop saying low key, but I think they're adding a new area to the game. Like, I think it's right. Yeah, it's right here. Look, there's a stable. Let me walk so I can get as close as I can. You can't get too close. Okay, let me go to where I was before. But like, look, there's a stable. And I don't know what these are, but I'm guessing there's something. But like, we're getting a new area. There's no doubt, because that was not there a few weeks ago. Canter. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, eating through the sky, little french fries. Please don't ask. Oh, I'm an old person now. I'm like so old. Actually, I'm not gonna say what grade I'm in. Like, bro. Leap, 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 leap. I can do the leaps, and I can do the leaps, 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 leaps. I sound like so. I get mad if you don't answer me. Like Mars. Oh, she answered. Do a flip! Oh, stop flipping. I wish there was like a map right here maybe. Because that would be actually helpful. Why are there just like in this arena, why are there just 3 crossfires? I just realized that now that I can use my microphone, I can like... No, the passage still doesn't work. How do you make this work? Whatever. I use this for exercises like this though, like tight turn. But still, like, I don't get the point. I'm running away. Okay, so I learned something. Why does strawberry not look like a strawberry anymore? Leap. If you take off at the right time, you can jump this gap. Like, I'm sorry, but I'd love to meet a horse that can do that in real life. Collect a trap, jump. What was that? It was like weird. Glitched. We have washed up. Bruh, glitching. Water. Water, get in warmer. Booty farts make the water feel warmer. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. That song. Water, get in colder. Booty farts make the water feel warmer. I apologize. Oh, also, we're at like a lot of subscribers now. Yay! Bruh, if you did this in real life, rest in peace to your horse and your stable. Oh no. Wait, if my horse, no. Oh wait, no, that's Georgia. Georgia and Winston look so similar. I'm just gonna marry this girl because she's pretty. I've never ridden. I don't know. It's been 9 minutes already. I'm literally so happy that I got into computer though. It's actually kind of cool. Martingale, breastplate, half pad, side pad, halter, fly bonnet. Why not put the halter on, you know? And a venting saddle, because why not? And I always like the figure 8 bridle. Water, get in colder. Bruh, where's Mars at? I wish you could call, because she's fun. We create some chaos. This is kind of boring now. Like, Rainbow Friends is fun. Richard Rainbow Friends. Is there seriously another Rainbow, like chapter 2 coming out? Oopsie doopsie, someone's glitching. This is really funny. I'm gonna take a screenshot. Bruh. Oh, I saved her. Water getting colder. So I don't know if any of you saw the TikTok, but there's like this TikTok in the game where basically someone's doing this and someone else is jumping. But since Mars can't move, I might as well, you know, yeet. Like, I'd love to create that, seriously. Water getting colder. God, I'm tired. School sucks. Like, school low-key sucks. My teacher's nice and everything, but like something happens today that might make me like not like her quite as much. I love her though. Like, or I don't love her. I like I love her as a teacher. Like, there's this one teacher in my school that everyone wants, but I think my teacher's like actually better. We have an M&M dispenser in our classroom, so this woman is okay. Plus, we get to watch movies and stuff, and she has comfortable chairs. But now I'm banned from using them because I did a thing, or I got blamed for a thing that I didn't even do. Imagine if she watches this video though, and she's just like, "Wow, that's one of my students." She's totally lying. Okay, like. Because some of my classmates know my YouTube channel name. So what if she sees it? Or what if she gets it somehow? There are a few kids in my class that I don't trust. Oh no. Water getting colder. Ew, why does the horse have butt cheeks? This is too realistic. Whoa, alright. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video now because, like, I'm annoying myself, so I'm sorry that you have to watch this. But, like, basically, I'm back, so.